We have one last.
You want me to keep filming now?
One last show. The Potter Puppet Pals.
Woo!
Good evening, students of Hogwarts. I'm Severus Snape, education master. If I was a good teacher, I'd ask you to destroy this little talent show. But I'm not. I'm Snape. Instead, I only have one question for all of you, except for the lovely because he is not the main character. I ask you, what is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, certainly not over there. I know. It's rather catchy now. Snape. Severus. Snape. Severus. Snape. Severus. Severus.
Woo!